So, so now try to understand that. So three rows are there. This is called three-dimensional 3D array, three rows. So now run this code, stop this one, build and run. It is giving error. What is the error? Okay, three-dimensional array. So progress. One means this one. So error in 11th line. Why error in 11th line? See, you have not closed with flower brace. You keep a flower brace here. Okay. Now you run this code, build and run. So try to understand value of first array, third element 12. But now I want to get value of this array. This array means I need to indicate this index, this array index is equal to this index, this array index 0, this array index 1, this array index 3. So I want to get this array value. So I need to mention here 2. 2 means index of 2. This value indicates always the array index. 2 means so now as per this I want to get the value of second this array. This array means 2 means 0, 1, third array. Third array. Which element? Third element. Third array. This is the third array. Third element. This one the third. 46 I want to get down. 46. Okay. Now run this code. Stop and run. This is the 46 value. Okay. Value of third array, third element. So this is called three-dimensional array. Okay. Because 3 rows are there and 4 columns. It is a matrix of 3 by 4. Matrix of called matrix of 3 by 4. Okay. If up to here it is called 2 by 4. 2 rows, 4 columns. If it is up to here 3 rows, 4 columns. So 3 by 4. So now let us how to loop through array. How to loop through array. Now how to change elements in array. Change elements means value in array. Change elements, values, both are same in array. How? Suppose I want to change this value as 52. Okay, so I need to explain first. I want to change this 12 as 52. So 1 means this array position, this 0, this is 1. So 1, 3 is equal to, I need to write like this, num1, okay, 1, next position 3 is equal to 52. And now try to understand what happened here. Num1 I referred the array name, and 1 means the array index. This is the 0, this is the index of array 1. So that array, one array, third element, 0, 1, 2, 3, third element, that is 52. I have now whenever you get the value of this one, you will get the printout as array. So you copy this one, you copy this one, you paste here. Okay, now here value of third array, value of first array, first array, third element, that is equal to what? You need to represent here num1 1 3. You need to change this as 1 3. Now you will get the value of 52. Okay, now run this code, build and run. This is what? Third array, third element 46, third array. Third array means 0, 1, 2, second array, not third array, this is second array as per the index. Okay, now run this, stop this code, run this, build and run. So you are getting what? Value of second array. Second array means 0, 1, 2, second array, third element, last element 46. Next, value of first array. First array means this is the first, not first array, this is the 0 array, mean as per this first array. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, third, first array, value of first array. First array means 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, second array means 0, 1, 2, second array. Okay, like this. So first array, what is first array? 0, 1, this is the first array. First array, third element, but we need to give some what? That is what here I need to give next line character here, next line character, that is n. So whenever you run this code, build and run, so whenever I have given this next line character, so I am getting the result as 2 lines. Okay, first line result, second line, otherwise both will be kept beside of one another. Okay, so until unless you will not give any next line character, you will get the, if you want to get line by line, you need to get these are now let us see how to access loop through dimensional arrays. Loop through dimensional arrays. Understood that? So as I told you that every in 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional arrays, an array may have many dimensions. Here 3 dimensions are there. 3 dimensions mean 3 rows, 1 row, second row, third row, and 4 columns. 4 columns are there. So as I have seen in the theory here, this is the chart, matrix chart, row. Every array will be considered as a row. Okay, the value stored in a tabular form 1, 4, 2. In second array, values will be stored in second row 3, 6, 8. If one more array is there, their value will be stored in third row.